Hello students, today we are going to solve these questions. Example number 4, that is integration e to the power x plus x to the power e plus e to the power e dx. Now we have plus sign in between, which means we have to integrate all these three terms individually. So we will write integration e to the power x dx plus integration x to the power e dx plus integration e to the power e dx. Now integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, same as it is. Then we have to integrate the second term. So for this we have formula x raised to n, which is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So by using this formula, integration of x to the power e is equal to x to the power e plus 1 divided by e plus 1. Then here e to the power e is constant, so we have to take constant outside and integration dx. Now first term as it is we have integrated it, second term also, then third term e to the power e. Here we have nothing, that means 1. So integration of 1 is x and we have to put plus c. Now example number 5, integration root x, in bracket we have 1 plus x dx. Now first step we have to do is we have to open up the bracket. So we have to multiply root x to 1, then plus, then root x into x. Integration root x plus x root x. Now we have to integrate root x dx, first term, then second term, integration x root x dx. Now we can write root x as x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Similarly, integration x into x to the power 1 by 2 in place of root x dx. Now we have to integrate x to the power 1 by 2. We have to use the formula x raised to n is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it will come as x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Next, here x variable, both have variable x, so variable is same. So it will be x to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 integration dx. Now how we have used this? By using x to the power m into x to the power n, which is equal to x to the power m plus n, using the rule of exponents. Now x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, by adding this we will get 3 by 2. Similarly 3 by 2 plus integration of x to the power, we will get 3 by 2 dx. Now here we can write 3 by 2 as 2 by 3 and x to the power 3 by 2 plus integration of x to the power 3 by 2, by using this formula again we will get x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1. Similarly 3 by 2 plus 1. So we will get as 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Now in next step Now we will take same 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. Then x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 will be 5 by 2. Same here 5 by 2. Now we can write this same first term as it is, and this 5 by 2 we can write as 2 by 5. Then x raised to 5 by 2 plus c. Now example number 6. Integration x minus 2 whole square divided by x dx. Now for x minus 2 whole square we are going to use the algebraic identity, that is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now comparing these two, we get a as x and b as 2. So we will write the expansion here: x square minus 2a into b plus b square, that is 2 square dx, and divided by x. Now we are going to simplify it. Integration x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by x dx. Now we are going to divide this x to the each term. Integration x square by x minus 4x by 4x by x plus 4 by x dx. Now we are going to integrate each term individually. Integration x square by x dx minus integration 4x by x dx plus integration 4x by x dx. Now further simplifying, we get x square divided by x as integration x dx minus, same here we get integration 4 dx plus integration 4 by x dx. Now integrating this x, we get x square by 2. By using the formula x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Then we will take this 4, which is constant, we will take it outside. Then integration dx, and similarly we are going to take this 4 outside and integration 1 by x dx. By further we can say x square by 2, then minus 4, integration of 1 we have as x, then plus 4, integration of 1 by x is log x. So simply we are going to write as log x and plus c. So now example number 7, that is integration 1 by x plus cube root, which is cube root x square dx. Now we can write this cube root as, we have inside x square, so we can write cube root, so we can write x square as power 1 by 3. Okay, so integration 1 by x plus x square to the power 1 by 3 dx. Now we have to integrate this term individually because we have plus sign in between. Integration 1 by x dx plus integration x. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this 2 into 1 by 3. Why? Because we have to use this exponential identity as x to the power m to the power n, which is x m into n. Okay, now here continuing dx. Now integration of 1 by x is log x plus integration x. Now we have to add this, multiply this, so we get as 2 by 3 dx. Now log x as it is plus integration x to the power 2 by 3. Now we have to use this formula x raised to n, which is x raised to n divided by n plus 1. We get as x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 divide by same 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1. Now log x as it is, sorry, plus, then we will have to add this 2 by 3 plus 1, we get 5 by 3, x raised to 5 by 3, same 5 by 3. Now we will write log x plus x to the power 5 by 3, and we have to write this 5 by 3 in this coefficient. It will be 3 by 5 and plus c. Now example number 8, here we have integration e to the power 2 log to the base e x dx. Now for this we are going to use the formula m. Log to the base e into a is equal to log to the base e a to the power m. Now in this formula we have to observe that m is multiplied to the term log, and what we have to write it, log to the power m. This multiplied m goes to power, so we are going to use this and we are going to write integration e to the power log to the base e x and square dx. We have converted this multiplied 2 to power here x. Now we have our next formula as e to the power log to the base e into any constant a which is equal to a. This is simplified as only a, which is this one. When we compare this and this, we can see log to the base e, log to the base e, and we have one factor over here which is a, and it is all equal to the power e. So we can write this as x square directly. Now for x square we have integration formula x to the power n, which is equal to x to the power n plus n divided by n plus n, which is x 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which will give us as x cube by 3 and plus c, which is constant of integration. Now we have example number 9, integration 2 x cube plus 5x square plus 4 divided by root x dx. Now the first step which we are going to do here is divide this root x to individually to all these three terms. So integration 2x cube divided by root x plus 5x square divided by root x plus 4 root x dx. Now we will integrate these terms individually. Integration 2x cube root x dx plus integration 5x square root x dx plus integration 4 by root x dx. Now what we have to do, we have to write this root x as x to the power 1 by 2. We can write root x as x to the power 1 by 2, which we have to replace in all these three terms. Integration 2x cube x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Similarly 5x square divided by x to the power 1 by 2 dx plus integration 4x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Now we have to use this formula x raised to m divided by x raised to n, which is equal to x raised to m minus n. Now we will take same integration to x 3 minus 1 by 2 dx plus integration 5x to the power 2 minus 1 by 2 dx plus 4 integration 4 x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now we have taken the numerator term in denominator term in the numerator, so it will be minus. Now we have to solve this power by taking LCM. So below 3 we don't have anything, so we will put 1. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2 multiplied by this 3, again minus, then 2 1s are 2 multiplied by this numerator 1 dx, plus integration 5 x. Now again we will take denominator 1. LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2 multiplied by this numerator 2 minus 2 1s are 2 multiplied by this numerator 1 dx, and the fourth term as it is. Third term, then integration 2x. Now 3 2s are 6 minus 1 1s are 1 divided by 2 dx, plus integration 5x to the power 2 2s are 4 minus 1 1s are 1 divided by 2 dx, plus integration 4x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Again integration 2 x to the power 5 by 2 dx, plus integration 5 x to the power 3 by 2 dx, plus integration 4 x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now we will apply now by using formula x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We will integrate, that is 2 into x raised to 5 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1, same in the denominator, then plus 5 x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1, plus 4 x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now we will write 2x. Now we will take LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 1s are 2 multiplied by this 5 plus 1 2s are 2 into this 1 divide by 1 into 5 plus 2 into 1 divided by 2, plus 5 into x. We have to take LCM. 2 1s are 2 multiplied by this 3 plus 1 2s are 2 multiplied by this 1 numerator 1, and same in the denominator, plus 4 x to the power LCM is 2. 2 1s are 2 multiplied by this minus 1 plus 1 2s are 2 into this 1, and same in the denominator. Then 2x raised to 5 1s are 5 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 5 x raised to 3 plus 2 by 2 plus 4 x raised to minus 1 plus 2 by 2, then 2 x raised to 7 by 2 plus 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 4 x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now this 7 by 2 will be 2 by 7, x raised to 7 by 2. Similarly 2 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 4 into 2 by 1 into x raised to 1 by 2, then 4 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2 plus 10 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 8 x raised to 1 by 2, and last step is 4 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2 plus 2 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 8x raised to 1 by 2 plus c. So now question number 10, integration 3x square minus 2x plus 5 divided by x into root x dx. Now first we have to divide this denominator to the individual three terms, like integration 3x square divided by x root x minus 2x x root x plus 5 x root x dx. Then this x 1x gets cut, so 3x root x minus 2 by root x plus 5x root x dx. Now we will take this root value in the numerator. So integration 3x into root x raised to minus 1 minus 2 root x minus 1 plus 5 x minus 1 root x minus 1 dx. So we have taken this numerator as minus 1. Now integration 3. Now the power of here x is 1. Here power of x is minus 1 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 because of this root. Then 2 x raised to minus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 5 x raised to minus 1 x raised to minus 1 into 1 by 2 dx. Now for the simplifying integration 3 x raised to 1, here we will multiply, it will be x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 x raised to minus 1 x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. Now using this property, x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x m plus n. So we will use this property to solve this. So integration 3 x 1 plus minus 1 by 2 minus 2 x raised to power minus 1 by 2 plus 5 x raised to minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 dx. Further integration 3 x raised to 1 plus minus minus 1 by 2 minus 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 x raised to minus 1 plus minus minus 1 by 2 dx. Now integration 3 x raised to, now we have to take LCM. So we will write 1. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 1s are 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 x raised to, we have to take LCM, then 2 1 2s are 2 into minus 1, then this minus 2 1s are 2 into 1 dx. Now integration 3 x to the power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 x raised to power 1 by 2 plus 5 x to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. Integration 3 x 1 by 2 minus 2x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 5x minus 3 by 2 dx. Now we will integrate these three terms individually. So integration 3 x to the power 1 by 2 dx minus integration 2x minus 1 by 2 dx plus 5x to the power minus 3 by 2 dx. Now we will use the formula x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So integration, we will not write integration, we will directly write 3 x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, same in the denominator, 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. We have to write the integration. Then plus 5 x raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by x raised to minus, no, we will not write x, 3 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Then 3 x raised to, we have to take LCM, we will take 1. So LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, 2 1s are 2 into 1 plus 1 2s are 2 multiplied by this numerator 1, and same in the denominator. Minus 2x, we will take LCM, 2 1s are 2 multiplied by this minus 1 plus 1 2s are 2 multiplied by this minus 1, and same in the denominator. Plus 5 x raised to, we have to take LCM, 2 1s are 2 into minus 3 plus 1 2s are 2 into 1, same in the denominator. Now 3x raised to 1 plus 2 by 2, 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 2 x raised to minus 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 by 2 plus 5 x raised to minus 3 plus 2 by 2 minus 3 plus 2 by 2. Now 3 x raised to 3 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 2 x raised to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 5 x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now we will write 3, and this numerator value will be 2 by 3 and x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2, then this numerator value will be 2 by 1 x raised to 1 by 2 plus 5, this numerator value will be 2 by minus 1 x raised to minus 1 by 2, this 3 gets cancelled, 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 4 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 10 x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus c. Now question number 11. Integration 1 plus root x whole square 2 divided by root x dx. Now we will use the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we will expand this. Integration 1 plus 2ab plus b square whole divided by root x dx. Simplifying further, 1 plus 2 root x plus this x is under root, so it will be 1 by 2 into 2. Then dx whole divided by root x. Then integration 1 plus 2 root x plus x dx root x. Now we will divide this root x by these three terms individually. 1 by root x plus 2 root x by root x plus x by root x dx. So it will be integration root x minus 1 plus 2 plus x into x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. Minus because we have converted this denominator value in the numerator value, and 1 by 2 because we have removed this root sign. Then integration x minus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 plus x 1 plus minus 1 by 2 dx. Now how we get this? X raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. So simply we have added the powers. Now integration x minus 1 by 2 plus 2 plus x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2 dx. Integration x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 2 plus x, we will take LCM, 2, 1 2s are 2 into 1 minus 2 1s are 2 into 1 dx. Then integration x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 2 plus x raised to 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. Again integration x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 2 plus 2 x raised to plus minus minus, that is 1 dx. Now we will integrate integration x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx plus integration 2 dx plus integration x raised to 1 by 2 dx. Now integration x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 dx. Now we will not write this integration sign. Then plus 2x integration of 2, then plus x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, then 1 by 2 plus 1. We have used the formula x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. And here we have taken the value 2 as it is constant, and integration of 1 is x. Then x raised to, we have to take the LCM, 2, 1, 2 1s are 2 into minus 1 plus 1 2s are 2 into 1, same in the denominator. Then plus 2x plus x. Now we have to take LCM again, 2 plus 1 2s are 2 into 1, same in the denominator. Then x raised to minus 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 by 2 plus 2x plus x raised to 1 plus 2 by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 by 2. Then x raised to 1 by 2 plus 2x plus x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Then it will be x raised to 1 by 2, and this numerator will be 2 plus 2x. This denominator will be 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Here we have taken this denominator in the numerator. Now question number 12. Integration 1 by root 5x plus 3 minus root 5x minus 1 dx. Now first we have to find the conjugate of this denominator. Now what is that value? That value is the first value, that is root 5x plus 3 plus the opposite sign. We have to write the opposite sign. Then root 5x minus 1. Now how we have to solve it? We have to write the given value, given function. Then we have to multiply this conjugate value in the numerator and in the denominator. So it will be root 5x plus 3 plus root 5x minus 1 divided by same thing, root 5x plus 3 plus root 5x minus 1. Now if we multiply in the numerator, it will be same value. But as we can see in the denominator, if we consider this as a and this as b, we are getting a minus b and a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, which has identity as a square minus b square. So we will apply this. Now solving further, we will get root 5x plus 3 plus root 5x minus 1 divided by a square, that is this term square, root 5x plus 3 square, then b term, that is this root 5x minus 1 whole square. Now numerator as it is, then value of root is 1 by 2. So 5x plus 3 1 by 2 into 2 minus not root 5x minus 1 1 by 2 into 2. Then it will become as 5x plus 3 plus root 5x minus 1 divided by 5x plus 3 minus 5x minus 1. Now integration root 5x plus 3 plus root 5x minus 1 whole divided by, now we will open up the brackets, 5x plus 3 minus 5x plus 1 dx. Further integration root 5x plus 3 plus root 5x minus 1 divided by, this gets cancelled, so 3 plus 1 is 4 dx. Now we will take 1 by 4 common, integration root 5x plus 3 plus root 5x minus 1 dx. Now we will take 1 by 4 integration 5x plus 3 to the power 1 by 2, because we have removed this root, same, plus 5x minus 1 raised to 1 by 2 dx. Now we will take 1 by 4 integration to individual terms plus integration 5x minus 1 raised to 1 by 2 dx. Now we will use the formula ax plus b to the power n, which is equal to ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into 1 by a. So 1 by 4, comparing these two, we will get 5x plus 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 5. Same, plus 5x minus 1 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 5. So 1 by 4, 5x plus 3, we have to take LCM, 2 1s are 2 into this 1 plus 1 2s are 2 into 1, same in the denominator, into 1 by 5 plus 5x minus 1, we have to take LCM, same in the denominator, into 1 by 5. Then 1 by 4, 5x plus 3 to the power 1 plus 2 by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 by 2 into 1 by 5 plus 5x minus 1, same in the denominator, into 1 by 5. Then 1 by 4, 5x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 plus 5x minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into 1 by 5. Now 1 by 4, this will become 2 by 3 into 1 by 5, 5x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Why I have taken this 1 by 4? Because this 1 by 4 is to both the terms, because we have taken this as common. So 5x minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 into 1 by 5. This denominator will become 2 by 3. Then by simplifying we get 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 15, 5x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus, this will also cancel, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 15, 5x minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. Now we will take 1 by 2 common. So 1 by 15, 5x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 15, 5x minus 1 to the power 3 by 2 bracket close plus c. Now question number 13, integration 1 by 1 plus x square plus e to the power 4x. So first formula is integration 1 upon 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x, and second formula is e to the power ax dx, which is equal to e to the power ax divided by a. So integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus integration e to the power 4x dx. So integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus integration of e to the power 4x is e to the power 4x by 4 plus c. Now question number 14, integration x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square dx. Now here we are going to replace this 1 by minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2. So integration x, now in place of 1 we are going to write minus 1 plus 2, because if we solve this we get ultimately 1. So minus 1 plus 2 x minus 1 whole square dx. Now we will write x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square plus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square dx. Now we can simplify this and this will get cancelled. So integration 1 upon x minus 1 plus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square dx. Now here we are going to use two formulas. First one is integration f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log f of x, and second one is integration x to n dx is equal to x n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now for the first we are going to use this formula. So it becomes integration, no, not integration, log x minus 1. Now you can see if we solve this denominator, which is f of x. So what is f dash of x? Derivative of this. So x minus 1 derivative is 1. So simply we have written log f of x, which is x minus 1. Now integration of this term, we will take 2 common outside and x minus 1 raised to minus 2. Now we will integrate integration 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus integration 2 x minus 1 whole square dx. So integration of first term is log x and integration of second term is plus 2 into x minus 1 whole square minus 2 dx. Why we have taken minus 2? Because we have converted this number from denominator to numerator. So log x minus 1 plus we are going to take 2 constant value outside, integration of x minus 1 whole square minus 2 dx. Log x minus 1 plus 2, integrating this term we get x minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 log x minus 1 plus 2. Here we get x minus 1 minus 1 divided by minus 1. So we can write as log x minus 1. This minus 1 we can write here as minus 2 and we can put this in the denominator, x minus 1 plus c. Number 15, integration 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus cos x dx. Now integration 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx minus integration cos x dx. Now here we are going to use first formula, that is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx, which is equal to sine inverse x, and second formula is integration cos x dx, which is sine x. So integration of this first term is sine inverse x, integration of this second term is sine x plus c. Now question number 16, integration sine x sec square x dx. Now here we are going to substitute sec square x as 1 upon cos square x. Similarly, sec x is equal to 1 upon cos x. So we are going to use this. So it becomes integration sine x into 1 upon cos square x dx. In place of this we have substituted this. So integration sine x upon cos x into cos x dx, and we have written into 1 as it is. Now we will simplify it further. Integration sine x upon cos x dx into integration 1 upon cos x dx. Now question number 17, that is integration 1 upon 1 plus x square minus cos x upon sin square x dx. We will integrate 1 upon 1 plus x square minus dx integration cos x upon sin square x dx. Now integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. Then minus integration cos x. Sin square x can be written as sin x into sin x dx. Now cos x upon sin x is equal to cot x. So 1 upon sin x is equal to cosec x. So tan inverse x minus integration cos x upon sin x into 1 upon sin x dx. Next, tan inverse x minus integration cos x upon sin x is cot x. 1 by sin x is cosec x dx. Now integration of cot x cosec x dx is equal to minus cosec x. So tan inverse x minus this negative sign is this, and again minus from this formula minus cosec x plus c, tan inverse x plus cosec x plus c. So question number 18, integration x raised to m plus m raised to x plus m raised to m dx. Now x is variable and m is constant. So our first formula is x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And second formula is m raised to x is equal to m raised to x upon log to the base e m. Now integration x raised to m dx plus integration m raised to x dx plus integration m raised to m dx. Here we are going to use the formula, first formula, x raised to m plus 1 upon m plus 1. Now second formula, m raised to x upon log to the base e m, plus we are going to take constant common. Okay, we are left with nothing, so we have taken 1. So x raised to m plus 1 upon m plus 1 plus m to the power x upon log to the base e into m plus m power m. Integration of 1 is x plus c. Question number 19, integration 1 minus x raised to power 10 dx. Now we are going to use the formula integration ax plus b raised to n is equal to ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into 1 by a. Now we will take 1 minus x 10 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 into 1 upon, here our a is 1 and we are going to take it with this negative sign, so minus 1. So 1 minus x raised to 11 upon 11 into 1 upon minus 1. We can take this negative sign here, so it becomes minus 1 minus x raised to 11 upon 11 plus c. We have taken that negative sign here. Now question number 20. Integration dx cube root 1 minus 3x whole square. Now we can write integration dx and we can remove this cube root and we can write 1 minus 3x square into 1 by 3 because we have removed cube root. Next, integration dx, we will multiply that, it will become 1 minus 3x 2 by 3. Now integration 1 minus 3x to the power minus 2 by 3 dx. We have taken this denominator value to the numerator, so its sign changes. Now formula, x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And we have another formula as integration ax plus b to the power n is equal to ax plus b to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into 1 by a. Now we will write using this second formula, which becomes 1 minus 3x raised to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon minus 2 by 3 plus 1 into 1 by a. What a? Minus 3. We have a as minus 3. This coefficient value of x with its sign. Now we will take LCM of this. 1 minus 3x. We don't have anything. We will take 1, then 3. 3 1s are 3 into minus 2 plus 1 3s are 3 into 1. And same in the denominator into 1 by minus 3. So it becomes 1 minus 3x raised to minus 2 plus 3 divide by 3, same minus 2 plus 3 divide by 3 into 1 by minus 3. Then 1 minus 3x 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 into 1 by minus 3. Now in the numerator we can write it as cube root 1 minus 3x because it has power as 1 by 3. In the denominator we have 1 by 3, which we can write as into 3 by 1, and here we have already 1 upon minus 3. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled and we have minus sign here, which comes as minus cube root 1 minus 3x plus c.